Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your videos like this. And guys, before starting the video, please watch the video full so you don't mess things up. Okay, so first thing first you have to download these two files, the rainmeter and the circular spectrum. Go ahead and download this. All the links are mentioned in the description. After that, download this circular spectrum. Now you have all this beautiful spectrum to choose from. Now these are basically the visualizers that are gonna react to the beats that you're gonna use, so download whichever you like. After downloading both files, let's install all of this. At first we have to install this rainmeter. Okay, so run the setup. Just install everything by default. Okay, click install, click yes when the box pop up. In here you need to make sure that this is checked, because if you don't run rainmeter at least once, you won't be able to install this skin. Okay, so click finish, and as you can see in here it is running in the background. That's good. Now let's go ahead and install this. I'm using circular spectrum, so you can go ahead and download that too to follow along with this video. After double clicking on it, this box should pop up. Click install. Showing anything on the screen, it's just because I've already installed it. But if you have freshly installed it, your desktop should load up with bunch of date, time, and bunch of new freshly windows showing stats of CPU, RAM, stuff like that. Just right click on that little box. You should find an option called unload skin, and that should get rid of all the unnecessary windows in your desktop. Okay, after that, just click on this little icon tray and click open. In here, just select here. In here you're gonna find spectrum. Okay, this is our settings. You can select the spectrum from here. This is one part. This is basically done. We can close this. Okay, now we need to change the desktop background. Okay, I have a green background in here that I'm gonna change. You can download any green background from the Google, something empty like this. Okay, make sure it's totally green in color. Just download it from the Google. And now we need to get rid of the desktop icon. Okay, on Windows 11 we need to right click and click on show more options. Now you have to go in here, view, and then select unchecked show desktop icons, and this is gonna get rid of all the icons and everything. We need to make sure that our desktop is totally empty. Now we will also get rid of our text bar. In here, on we're gonna say automatically hide the taskbar. Now when it's totally empty, you can play the beat, and this is gonna basically react to the beat. Now you can adjust this. Just in case this is not properly aligned, just go back to the settings and make sure it's unchecked, keep on screen. Now just play the beat that you wanna react to. I'm gonna play this beat right here and basically record the screen. Okay, so after recording our visualizer, we can change back our desktop icon and themes, and then edit our visualizer. If you can't find the project files, just right click on your Explorer, go to Documents, click on Camtasia Studio folder, and it should be right here. Okay, just drag and drop it in here. Okay, now the fun part. Now here we have our visualizer. Now we need to load up the same beat that we have visualized to. Okay, we're gonna align everything up. So I'm gonna right click on it, click on separate audio and video in here. Now I'm gonna make necessary changes, align everything up, and we're gonna cut the audio to wherever I want it. So I'm gonna just play it once right here. Okay, select this and delete it. Okay, we're gonna delete this audio from here We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna put this space empty. Now we're gonna put an background in here. Okay, I'm gonna click here, import media, and locate the file. So I'm gonna just select any of the photos. Now you can mess around with these photos. Okay, but first of all, we're gonna go to more and click on visual effects. In here, make sure you select remove color, drag and drop it on our green screen. Select on this little icon, click on this color picker, select green color, boom, now our color is gone. Okay, don't worry about this, we can crop this out, it's not in the screen anyway. So okay, and now make sure you have used this difference and tolerance settings to match the best with the visual effect in here. Now we can change our background. We can throw in any background and just basically messing around, and but just make sure that it's at the top layer and this is at the bottom. We're gonna just put it in the full screen and make sure that our visualizer is at the center or here, like this. Now let's work with our audio file right here. We're gonna put our audio recorder from here, so we can just align everything up, cutting things up, it looks perfect. Now we can delete the recorded audio from Camtasia. Now you can basically do anything inside in here. We're gonna throw in some text. You can change the font, that's the best part about it. You can change any font you like from here. I'm gonna just keep it in here. I'm gonna just gonna show you the basic idea of you can do with it. You can change the name. You can also put another one for the title of your beat. I'm gonna name it as dew drop, something like this. Small it up, aligning everything up. Changing, you can change font or even change the color from here if you like. Anyway, so yeah, here you have it. Not animation, actually we need to go to behaviors and click on, let's try scale, put it right here. Let's see how it reacts. You can obviously change more background if you like. Cut it from here, put this here, see how you like it. Okay, or even change another background to it, anything you like, whichever suits the best for your track. This is quite nice actually. So guys, that's how you make audio visualizer, audio spectrum, audio react to your beats. I really hope this video helps. Please comment, rate, subscribe and share. It took me a hell lot of a time to make this video. I would really appreciate if you could comment, rate, subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video guys. Peace, I'm out.